One of the biggest challenges I always have as a teacher when it comes to slide presentation is actual timing. And one of the old ways of doing that is having to sit up here, go to YouTube. So I'm going to have to type in youtube.com. Wait for all this to populate. Let me see here. I'm going to put in 7-minute timer. I have to go find the timer that I want. Let's just pick this one. Share, copy, come back here, go to insert, video, command, enter, and I have a timer. So all those steps that I had to actually go through to actually find a timer, search for what, all these things, I'm like, okay, and I don't care too much for the music, so if you're like me, this is an inconvenience. So I decided to create a website called Slide Timer Pro, and it's subtitled Slide Timer Pro Factory. And what you can actually do is, this is actually designed because we need a timer that's going to actually play, just like the video that's embedded, but I don't want an embedded video. Just like the video that's embedded here, I wanted to have a different timer that actually don't require music. I could make my own, reduce the opacity, pick any color that I want to in terms of the font, background, whatever. I'm just playing around with this. And what we could do is what you do is you copy this code, you press this button. It gives you some tips here, standard slideshow presenter view pro tips on how to actually do this. But I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to hit escape. And I really don't need to hit escape, but I'm going to do this here so I can show you how to do it flat out consistently. So what we need to do is we need to go to these 3 dots, more tools, developer tools, and then I'm just going to simply hit allow pasting. Okay, that means that I can go ahead and paste in here so I don't have to worry about none of that. So I'm going to hit Control V with the code that I just copied. Hit enter. Okay, boom. And just like that, my timer pops up over my slide. And once I hit presenter view, my timer is still here and I'm ready to go. Boom, bam, and it's over. It overlays over any slide time. So even if I wanted to go, let me move that back over. Okay, so even if I wanted to go to the next slide, so let me just duplicate this. Okay, so we're gonna Command C, duplicate. And I'm actually going to get rid of that here so we know which one is which. I'm going to go back to presenter view and my timer's still going. I can actually pause it. And voila. It switches, no problems at all. And you can always refresh the timer, restart it. However you need to when it comes to the timing here, and it overlays over all your slides without being on a different. You just want to close it out, you just hit that X and boom, it's gone. So if you want this timer, link is in the pinned comment and the description, but it is slidetimerpro.com, and while you at it, you can go ahead and click on, if you're a teacher, and this is designed specifically for teachers, you can check out some other offline tools that I made that's specifically for your class to enhance the actual student experience.